Alrighty, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Zeus God, and today I'm going to show you how to install custom sound effects. Here's a little preview of what they can sound like. Yeah, so they sound pretty clean. You can install almost any sound effect. Just make sure they're compatible with Fivem. Anyways, guys, let me get right into the tutorial. Alrighty, so your first step is to go on my website. It's down in the description down below. Just scroll down till you see custom sound effects tutorial. Just click read me. And then from here, you have this site. Just click download. You can always download more different sound effects. This one is just realistic gun sound effects. Just click download and just wait for that to download. I'll be back when it's finished downloading. Alright guys, so after you open the folder, it should look something like this. I just dragged it onto my desktop and made it a folder. So where you want to go is optionals, Fivem compatible, and then you'll see this. So you have an installation guide right here. Follow the instructions. You're gonna have to find your, here, open a new folder, or file explorer. You want to go find where your GTA 5 directory is, which is, for me, I installed it to a custom place. Just go look for it. If you cannot find it, join my Discord down below, and I'll show you how to do it. So go from here, just follow steps x64, audio, and then sound effects. So you see all these sound effects here. I'm gonna make a backup folder just in case. And here, what you want to back up is resident.rpf and weapons player RPFs. So I'm just gonna right click and copy and paste that, and then find the resident one as well, and then just put that into your sound effects folder as well. So these are your backup files, just in case if anything goes wrong. Alright, so from here you just want to drag and drop. It'll show up with replace the files. Just click this button. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do that right now, and I'm just going to open Fivem, and it should be completely installed now. Alright boys, so once you're back in Fivem, you can just test out your guns, and yep, everything installed correctly. Let me know what you guys want to see next down below in the comments. Again, the download is going to be in the description. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and have a good one.